Well, boys, I present to you the dumbest son of a bitch in Inwood. So that's cool. Oh, look at the water beating up on the concrete, boys. That's what we're after. That's what we're after. No soak in. A beat up, a go away. Lasts way longer. This could be a really big waste of a day, or it could be a really good deal. Only thrice words to find out, boys. But the way things go around Inwood, I don't know why I do this to myself, but let's go, I guess. Check that out. Decent. What happened to your rig, bud? Your rig? No. Maybe it's just parked. It's just parked. It's not broken. No, you're good one. Oh man, the other direction is a parking lot. Good Lord. That's less than ideal. Hopefully that clears up in the next 3 or 4 hours. Oh, hexagally, you mustn't. Oh no. Oh no, what happened? Boys. Oh, you're pushing the wrong pedal. Oh. Oh, you're pushing the wrong pedal. America! You mustn't! You mustn't!
It's got the 4 lights. Power, 240, 2 120s. She doesn't run. We haven't used it because we put power, as you can see here at the yard. This used to be our light tower here at the yard.
Yeah. So Buddy said it just needs a boost?
Probably needs a battery. I would say a tune-up, air filter. Other than that,
But so I could boost it and try it?
yeah, if you want to try, sure. What do you do? Fix these to sell them, or?
No, I just buy tools and fucking do stupid shit. Yeah, might have to swing her around and put the truck on it or something. Just to give her some rip'ems, you know what I mean? Is there like somewhere to give it a little throttle?
No, it's all electric. It's electronic. The whole thing's electronic.
Yeah.
We used to just start it up, and then once it's running, it'll run forever.
Yeah. Just about. Yeah, little chooch.
It'll only smoke for like 15 seconds, and then it'll go sink.
Turn the lights on?
Now these, if you shut them off, they take like 10 minutes to come back on.
Yeah. Right on.
And you got 120. 240 here if you want to weld it.
Sure.
All yours.
So you can probably just lift her right onto the trailer with the... Yeah. So I planned on winching it on there, but tractor's way easier.
Yeah, I know.
Holy shit. It works. Like I came here to get it, and it works. And I drove like a long time, and it was like... Wow, that's crazy. Probably got some new tires for it when we get home. We did it, boys. How do you get out of here now? 9 ways on. A little drink, not too bad. Oh, dick. The friggin' basset. Little rabbits. Those little rabbits. Oh, he's got a belt, for f***'s sakes. He thinks I'm a hardware store. Hey? Got one of these. Yeah. I probably do. I got a lot of belts.
I got a couple of belts in my place, but anyway.
Oh, I'll send too much you over.
No.
Buddy.
Have to keep an eye on my chickens.
Yeah. What happened? Belt no good?
Only that one. It's long 1 inches.
Longer 1 inches?
Yeah, long 1 inches.
Oh, why? What happened?
That's long. No, I long too much. I need a long.
Oh, I can look in the shed.
You
Might
know?
have one.
No, they don't.
Maybe.
Maybe okay.
How much money? 200?
Okay.
Ooh.
I go sorry. This one. Oh.
Probably have to go starting you.
There you go. New one. My God, the new one that's no good. long 1 inches.
You need one same size or longer?
No.
Longer. Shorter.
No, long.
This one's bigger or small? This one big?
Bigger. No good.
Oh.
Bigger than 1 inch.
Measure it.
Manually.
Uh-oh, he's eyeballing your bike.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, netty good. Oh, his bike netty good. My bike no good. Oh, I apologize.
My friend, he good. He ever good.
Oh,
He does.
thank you.
One too much. Put here. No working. Working the soul. Working the soul.
You sold your house?
Sold the house. Yeah.
No sold?
Not too much. See.
You're asking way too much? Is that what happened?
My house big.
Yeah. Too much you work. Oh dear. So many spas.
Be okay.
Yeah, so many spas. We should make too muchy hats. The red with the white like that, but that says too muchy on it, eh? Why, whoa, what happened? Whoa. Try not to block my camera, buddy, because it's f***ing up my shot. You know what I mean? What? Oh, marijuana in there?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
No.
I don't think so.
You don't know?
Maybe.
Maybe. No people here.
None of my business though, buddy, right? So it's like I never really thought about it. You know what I mean?
Maybe inside out. I don't know.
Oh, my new one, boys. It's morning time in Inwood. Oh no. What have I done?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah. Hydra. Hydra machine. It's a Hydra machine.
Yeah.
Everybody, my Hydra machine. Oh, what do you need? A belt? Let's see. Let's see if we can find a belt.
Oh, here, too much. Okay.
Whoa, what happened?
Here, too much.
Yeah, too muchy belts. Too muchy belts.
Oh, yeah, everything go outside.
Yeah, throw everything outside, everybody. These belt good? We use the right size?
No, long.
Maybe this one.
No, long. Too much long.
Too much long?
Yeah, I need some more.
Okay, hold on. How about this here?
Yeah.
You really cut too muchy short.
Oh, small, 1 inches, maybe. Small 1 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch.
Yeah, I don't think so, buddy. That's it. Everyone, too big and too small. Too much big, too much small.
No? No more?
No.
That.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Too much big. Mucho too much big.
Much. Ay, no more. Okay, I go sorry, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe this one, see that?
Oh. Too short.
Yeah. Oh.
Fucking.
Oh, thank you very much, my friend.
No worries.
Oh, you lady good there. Good boy here.
That's why you told Buddy that I was good afraid.
That's a good door.
Because he needs something. Yeah, it's my good ones. Oh, yeah. I do have these doors too. Shit. Fuck, I thought I sold those.
美训 Too much 美训 no good? Too much 美训 no good? That one no good?
Yeah, good one, yeah.
That one good and no good? That one?
Yep, for sale.
Maybe I good I need it.
You got to work in Inwood for,
I don't know. You working at that one? There.
you know, about probably 5 years. Pick up that set.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries, bud.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I go
Oh, no. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's tight down big time, eh? Right on. Right on, bud. Just going 140 on the 907 relentless. Friggin' things just loose as frig, every friggin' one of them. That one's kind of tight. But I mean, I tie down two vehicles with 4 straps, and I had 6 straps on this, so we're like way more safe than with vehicles on. Probably at least 14.5% more safe. Oh yeah, this one was really good. I think she had a little twist on her, a little twisty poo. I can't remember if I told you or not, but like an hour after I left, Buddy called me to make sure everything was good. You good? Everything's good? I'm like, yeah, man. Big time, dude. Just moldier as frig book. So that's cool. Huh, it's got a reversible hitch. You can go pintle hitch or friggin' tongue Berlini. Oh, that busted off way down here. I see. So that's fucking cool. Weld that back on there, probably. That's pretty cool. Could be stuck on there anyway. Constitution. That's not good. Might need a little Melsapini. Oh yeah, you could work out here big time. That's splendid. Huh? Little choo-choo. It's got a shitload of hours on it though, so I mean.